Welcome back to another episode of Local Search Tuesdays. This weekend, SearchLab is heading to Las Vegas for the National Automobile Dealers Association Conference, the biggest conference in the auto industry, and I'm here to share all the details about what's going on. The conference kicks off on Thursday with educational sessions, and I'll be presenting at 2:30 Vegas time. My session will be packed with awesome SEO tactics. So if you're going to the conference, you don't want to miss it. For those of you who can't make it to Vegas, we'll be sharing a recording of my session in next week's episode. SearchLab will be at NADA in full force. We'll be in booth
5129W.
So make sure you stop by and say hi. We'll be rocking some awesome show specials too. If you pre-schedule a demo for SEO or PPC and show up for your scheduled demo, we'll give you a crisp $100 bill. There's still time to schedule a demo there with us. Head over to searchlabdigital.com/NADA 2022 to book a time slot. Also, if you sign up for SEO or PPC at the show, we'll give you $500 cash. And if you sign up for SEO by the end of March, we'll knock $500 off the price of SEO for as long as you're with us. That's $6,000 a year in savings. If you sign up for PPC by the end of March, we'll waive your setup fee. That's typically around $2,000 in savings. So, in a best case scenario, if you schedule a demo at the booth, show up for the demo, and end up signing up for SEO and PPC at the show, we'll put $600 in your hand and your dealership will save around $8,000 on your first year of working with us. Pretty killer deal, right? I'll also be shooting a few episodes of Local Search Tuesdays in Vegas, along with some other fun stuff. So make sure you stop by
Booth 5129W.
if you want to be in a video. We hope to see you this weekend. That's all the time we've got left for today's episode. So you know what that means. Put your hand on the screen right here. We totally just high-fived because you learned something awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week in another episode of Local Search Tuesdays.